All right, number 3, you were given an equality and asked to match it to a situation. Okay. Yesterday on the review, you had one that said which one cannot be. Today, you're looking for the only one that can match. Okay. So in the original that they give us, the operation being used, 5 touching that x, means that they are multiplying. Okay. So we're going to look for a problem that has the variable being multiplied by something. Okay. And the symbol that they're using is less than. All right. It's not, oh, I'm sorry. It is not less than. I was thinking about how it doesn't have an equal sign. This is definitely a greater than symbol. I apologize. Okay. So greater than is going to be the symbol that we need to find keywords for. All right. So let's jump in and see if we have anything that matches. We have Linda earned $5 in tips on Friday. She then had a total of $42 in tips from the whole week. How much money in tips had she earned before the $5 tip? Okay, if I want to find a previous amount, does that sound like multiplying or does that sound like the previous amount plus 5? Okay, to find 42, I'm going to take the previous amount that she had in tips, okay? And I'm going to need to add it to $5, all right, to get 42. There are no inequality keywords because it says how much money did she earn before. That's a definite amount. We can find that. It's not a greater or less than. It's just what plus 5 gave her 42 after that, okay? So no on 2 counts. There's no multiplication, and it's not even an inequality. So this is definitely not A, okay? All right, moving on to B. Lewis deposited $5 into a checking account. This brought the total in his checking account to $42. Okay, deposited. The new total is 42. How much money did he have before the deposit? Okay, so if you're depositing money into a checking account, okay, you're going to be adding that money into your account. Okay. And we need to know how much money he had before. So whatever money he had before plus 5 is going to give him 42. Again, this is not an inequality. It tells us exactly what it equals. So no, it's not an inequality, and no, they're not multiplying. So it's definitely not B. All right. C gives us Omar bought donuts for $5 per dozen. How many, hold on. How many donuts could Omar buy with $42? Okay. This one has a couple different things. If it says 5 per dozen, per each and every, I'm doing multiple, every single one costs $5. I'll be multiplying 5 times every dozen of donuts. Okay. And it says how many could he buy with that $42? So I'm not going to do 5 times what equals 42. He could buy the amount he has money for, sure, or he could buy less than that, okay? You can always spend less money. So he can buy as much as will cost him 42, but no more, okay? So $5 per dozen needs to cost him exactly 42 or less, okay? All right, this one does have multiplication. It does not have a greater than symbol, okay? So this one has the right operation, but the wrong symbol. Let's check the last one and make sure we didn't mess up somewhere, okay? Christopher earned $5 per hour at his job. How many hours would Christopher need to work to make at least $42? Okay, I see 5 per hour, meaning he makes 5 every single hour. To find how much total he would make, I would multiply. Okay, $5 times every hour. All right, and he needs to make at least 42. Okay, so at least means he could make 42. But it'd be nice if he made more than 42. Okay, at least means greater than or equal to. His money per hour once you find his total, needs to be greater than or equal to 42, at least. Okay, this matches our beginning because our beginning used multiplication and a greater than sign. Okay, cut that out. All right, let's look at the last one. Christopher earned $5 per hour, okay, at his job. How many hours would Christopher need to work to make more than $42? Okay, I see some keywords. I see 5 per hour, okay, meaning we're not going to add $5 to hours. You're going to multiply. 5 times the amount of hours will tell you how much money he'd make, and that needs to be more than 42. Okay, more than means greater than. All right, so let's look. Our original used multiplication and a greater than sign. All right, this one uses multiplication and greater than. So it has to be that one.